Welcome to Vudvi Food and Arts. Today's recipe is simple and tasty traditional recipe stuffed steamed dumplings, in Telugu called Aviri Kudumulu or Kudumulu. Now let us see the procedure. To make this, first we need some rice flour. Have 2 cups of rice, wash and soak for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. By soaking overnight, we will get smooth flour and soft steamed dumplings. After 8 hours, strain the water and put the soaked rice on a cloth and spread evenly and let it dry in room temperature for half an hour. Have a mixie jar, add rice and grind them finely. And sieve the flour and have it in a bowl. Have a wet cotton cloth and place the rice flour. Close and tie it properly. Steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will have smooth rice flour. Have the rice flour in a bowl and add little water and knead the dough well for 5 minutes. Cover and keep aside. Have 1 cup of jaggery and 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Heat up the pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add fresh grated coconut and fry it for 2 minutes. Keep stirring and fry it for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame and add 1 cup of jaggery. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Take a small portion of dough and spread it using your hands. Use a plastic sheet as base or else a cotton cloth. Now add the coconut filling to the center. Close gently and press the edges. And transfer to a oil greased plate. Brush the idli plate with oil or else you can place a cotton cloth and then place the dumplings. And steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, today's recipe, simple and tasty stuffed steamed dumplings or Kudumulu is ready to serve. Try it once and share your opinion with us. And thank you for watching.